Yo, Dead Prez here, coming to you guys with another video. Today, I'm going to be dropping a free options trading journal on Google Slides, Excel, and you can get on PDF. This is for the people that don't have a trading journal already. You guys could use this one for free. And for any of the beginners that have been asking me, what should they do when they're getting into trades, this is what you should do. You should be tracking all your trades and journaling so you can see where you're going wrong. If you're not doing that already, you're already a little bit behind. So let's get started. So right here, you're going to see this is the Google Drive. You can see right here I got investment, week of the year, total trades, return, fee, commissions. I see in all these YouTube videos about options trading journals, none of them have the commissions in the Google Excel. You gotta do some weird math, and you gotta, none of them are actually accurate because they don't have the commissions. So once after a month or two of using them, they're not aligned with your actual portfolio because your broker is charging you commission and fees, and they're not tracking for that on your journal. This one does have that, so it's going to be accurate. So that's nice for all the beginners. And then I'll show you how to kind of navigate other than just this front page. You can see it's got a chart right here. You're going to come down to ledger, and here's going to be like the input page where you input your trades. Right here you can see I just had a tester right here with SPY. It's just week of the year, we'll go 24. Ticker, let's just hypothetically put SPY. Open, date position open, let's go 6/16/22. Expiration, let's go this Friday 6/17. This is just hypothetical, guys, just plugging it in for you guys just to show you. Position, let's say call. Bought to open right here. Strategy, debit. Stock price when open, let's just say 365. Strike price, let's go 370. Premium, I'm just gonna go with, I'm just guessing because I don't know, actually I'm not looking at it right now. 210. Contracts 5. Fees, let's plug in that 0.55. Exit price, let's say we hopped out at 3. Close date, let's say we close it out today. Boom. Status, let's go closed. Account, you could just type in whichever account it was. Let's just go TOS for my thinkorswim. And then once you got all that, this dark gray is just gonna take a little 10 minutes, 20 minutes for it to all plug in and everything. And then that's just kind of, the basis of the trading journal. I'm gonna put this all in the YouTube description. And to get to the trading journal, I'm just gonna put it on my Stan store. You're just gonna come here, click download now. It's gonna be totally free. While you're on my Stan store, you could also get that free Ichimoku Cloud ebook. A lot of people have been telling me they like it, so you could download that, check it out. Also got my starting a long-term portfolio the right way, perfectly in time for the market dip. So those people who are trying to get their portfolios right for the next 5-10 years, you might want to purchase this right here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support lately. I know we hit over 50 subs. Hopefully we could get 100 by the end of summer. I've been appreciating all the views and everything, guys. If you could just leave more likes, leave more comments and everything. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Peace.